This is what happens if you put light plastic roofing like polycarbonate or wavy plastic without fastening it to the beams. A strong wind will blow it away and you have a non-roofed roof. There are many fasteners for plastic and polycarbonate roofs. Some are quite expensive while others are difficult to find. These made in the Philippines are made of lead, and I'm sure you don't want lead in your garden. But why don't we do our own? Cheap and easily available. Everyone has a bunch of old coins at home. Coins that have no purchasing value but can come in very handy. All we have to do is make 2 holes in them. We have to fix the coins firmly below the drill so they don't turn. We can also do this with bits of PVC, and we don't even need a drill to make the holes, just a hot wire. We pass a length of wire through the holes and add a bit of silicone to seal the joint, and our fasteners are ready. Then we make 1 or 2 holes in the roofing next to where there is a beam. We can do this with a pointed soldering iron or with a heated wire. We pass the wires through the holes of both sheets where they overlap, and also along the length of the roofing every 2 or 3 feet. And we tie the wires firmly to nails placed in the beams. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.